Hi all, welcome to Acharya Coding School. So in this class, we can discuss about the monitoring basics. So before going to this, why we need to monitor? So what is its importance? So monitoring means mainly observing system performance so that we can detect the issues easily. So we can observe the CPU overuse and low memory and full disk. So if you are in your system, if the storage is filled, how can you know? The laptop reminds us. So same as like using the monitoring tools, we are monitoring our system performance and checking the health of our processes. So for example, if we take the monitoring mainly why we are using, because for example, if you went to for the health checkup, at that time, so health checkup for a human body. So what they are doing? So they take the blood from you and they check the blood pressure. After they check the heart rate. They check the temperature. So same as like in Linux, we are checking CPU, memory, disk, and logs as well as to ensure our server is healthy or not and our processor is healthy or not. So we are using these monitoring tools in the Linux. So we have like several types of monitoring tools which we can discuss in this class. And why we need of monitoring? To detect issues before our server get crashed. So what happens if the server happens? So it will create a lot of damage for you, right? So instead of, we are going to detect issues before getting crashed, and we are going to optimize the resource usage. So we are know about the how much CPU you have utilized and how much memory you have utilized and how much storage you have utilized. So using this monitoring commands, you will get to know everything. And we can troubleshoot slow systems as well as. So some systems are not supported and they are running slowly. So we can troubleshoot using these monitoring tools. And we have like different types of monitoring commands. So there are like system resource monitoring commands, log monitoring, and process specified monitoring. So we can discuss each one in detail. So for the system monitoring commands, so like this, we can write it. So for the system monitoring commands, we have top. We are using for the CPU monitoring. So we have commands like top, uptime, and vmstat. So we have like different pstat. So we have like different types of commands. So for which we are using for the CPU monitoring. So let us execute. Top. So it provides how much CPU we have utilized for each of the command. And we can check using the uptime as well as. So uptime. So we can check our system is up from 6 minutes onwards. So Uptime means how much time we are logging into our system. Using the uptime we can know. So, and we have like a MP stat. So we can know per CPU uses. And we have the commands for memory monitoring. So we have commands called free, vmstat, top. As top also we can use for the memory monitoring. So if you observe in the last commands, there itself it provides memory as well as. So we can execute free. So using the free command, we can know that how much we have utilized and how much memory is free for us. And it shows the available memory and as well as used memory as well. So how much memory we have used and how much memory is available, it will show. And we have like a vmstat. So which mainly shows the memory, and using this we can swap our CPU starts. And we have like a disk monitoring. So we have for the disk monitoring, we have commands called df-h, du -sh, ls, blk. So we have like a different commands. So which we can discuss. So df-h. So which we are using for the how much disk we have utilized. Using this we can know about the storage as well as. So how much size and how much disk is available, we can get to know using this command. And we can have a command called du-sh. So using this we can get to know how much space is utilized by the specific directory. And we have like a ls-blk. So it will list block devices. So for example, in our system, if you take some of the system, we have block. So if some device is blocked, so we can able to get to know using this ls-blk command. And we have like a networking monitoring. So we have commands called ipconfig, netstat, tuner, and ping command. So we can discuss each one in detail. So if we give the ipconfig, so using this we can get to know how much interfaces we have. And using this ifconfig, we can go about the IP address of our system as well. And using netstat command we have. So the netstat, so we are checking the active connections. So whether like example we have like a, so some of them are not working in our Linux machine. So for those there is a like specifically some installations we need to do. In the second category, till now we have discussed about the system resource monitoring commands, and we have like a log monitoring. So in the log monitoring, we have commands called var log, var slash, messages. So it will generate system logs. So there are like a specifically, we want to run those commands, we need to install some commands. So because it mainly runs on the Ubuntu and Debian machines, not on our Linux machines. For those, there is a installations as well as we are doing. Let us try in this way, if it is execute or not, or else like we can skip this. So there is no such type of directory or exists in our system. So we can check like which type of var logs are available. So only bash var log is a directory, is an empty directory available in our system. So that's why when you give the messages, it's not executed. And we have like a grep. Error log if you want to see. Grep is for using the for filtering purpose. So we can search from the, if you are getting any errors in the, if you having the var log, we can able to know. And we have like a process specific monitoring. So in this, we are monitoring a single service or a multiple processes. So we have like a commands called nginx, httpd. So different types of commands we have. So if you want to check our Apache or httpd is running or in our system, we can check using these commands. So these are mainly for status checking and everything we are using. So we are checking. So if nginx process is running in our system or not. So for example, if you are checking, just randomly I'm showing. So if you see by default, there is a nginx process is running in our system. And we have it, we can check like systemctl status, httpd service is running in our system or not. We can check using the so the service is not running in our machine, so that's why it's not showing. So the process is running, but so then you can install the httpd in your machine. Then you can able to find the service about the status service. So these are the commands which we have available in our Linux machine.